Coffee lovers, let's be real. Nothing beats waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed espresso made from whole beans right in your own kitchen. But you don't need to drop $1,000 or become a trained barista to get that experience anymore. Super automatic espresso machines have come a long way, and even budget-friendly models now pack in serious brewing power and the kind of convenience that turns your 7 a.m. brain into a functioning adult in under 90 seconds. Whether you're hunting for cafe-style cappuccinos or a rock-solid daily espresso, today's budget super automatics can absolutely deliver. All the links to these machines are in the video description below. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. This is your home barista in a box, no training required. With 7 one-touch drinks, including everything from espresso and cappuccino to iced coffee and a customizable My Latte, it's built for households or offices where everyone wants something different. The Latte Crema frother stands out, producing a silky foam that rivals your local cafe, and the conical steel grinder offers plenty of adjustments for your favorite beans. The Evo really shines in busy kitchens. Imagine every family member getting their own drink, back to back, without any confusion. Drinks are consistent and rich, and I have to say the milk foam is genuinely impressive at this price. For anyone who wants the full cafe experience at home without fiddling with settings or watching YouTube latte art tutorials at midnight, this machine is a fantastic value, especially if you're replacing a pod habit or want creamy drinks on demand. Now, if you like things simple and low maintenance, the Philips 3200 series with LatteGo might be your best friend. What stands out most about the 3200 is how easy it is to clean and use. The LatteGo milk system is a two-piece wonder. No tubes, nothing complicated, and dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver. You get 5 one-touch drinks, including iced coffee, and a ceramic grinder that keeps your espresso smooth and flavorful. I like how approachable the controls are, and the AquaClean filter means you can go months, sometimes even years, without having to descale. This machine is perfect for families, small offices, or anyone who wants their drinks fast with almost no cleanup. The only drawbacks? The grinder gets noisy, and you'll be refilling the water tank pretty regularly if you brew for a crowd. Still, it's a workhorse for everyday use, especially if you want to keep things hassle-free. While those first two are all about convenience, the Gaggia Brera is a classic for anyone who wants the true espresso experience with a little more hands-on fun. This one is compact, affordable, and offers a semi-manual touch with its Panarello steam wand. It's got a ceramic grinder and even a bypass dozer for pre-ground coffee or decaf nights. I've seen plenty of people use this as their first real espresso machine after giving up on drip coffee, and it delivers a genuinely bold shot with rich crema. The real charm here is practicing your own milk frothing. You can actually work on latte art or just get the milk exactly the way you like it. It's not as fast as the DeLonghi or Philips, and it only offers 2 drink buttons. The build feels entry-level, and you'll be cleaning it yourself a bit more often. But for anyone looking to level up from a pod machine or just dip a toe into real espresso, the Brera is a fantastic and affordable first step. Switching gears to the Casabrews A-Cafe Plus, this one is all about getting the essentials on a budget. If you want a compact, touchscreen controlled machine with a built-in grinder and manual steam wand, but don't want to spend a fortune, the A-Cafe Plus is a great starter option. The interface is super simple. Big icons, quick setup, and easy cleaning with its auto rinse and cleaning reminders. When you want a morning pick-me-up without a ton of fiddling, just tap and brew. It does great with milk drinks like lattes and cappuccinos, and the value is hard to beat if you're after a full bean-to-cup setup. The catch? Some corners are cut for the price. You won't get ultra-fine control over your coffee, and the plastic components and lack of pressure gauges might bug you if you're into perfecting your shots. But if you're new to espresso, living in a dorm, or just want to make cafe drinks at home without breaking the bank, the Casabrews is worth a look. If you're someone who values a quick cup and a simple interface, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start really nails the basics. Think of this as the streamlined sibling to the Evo. Fewer drink options, but all the essentials, including DeLonghi's Latte Crema Carafe for automatic milk frothing. The controls are icon-based and super easy, so even if you're groggy in the morning, you'll have no trouble. Drinks come out hot and full of flavor, and the milk foam is surprisingly thick and creamy. The grinder is steel, which is a plus for durability, but it does make some noise. This machine skips the extras. No touchscreen, no app, just solid, reliable coffee every time. It's great for small kitchens, busy mornings, or anyone who wants a DeLonghi without paying top dollar. Downsides? The build is mostly plastic, and there's not much in the way of custom profiles or extra features. But for most folks, it's a huge upgrade over pod machines and delivers much better coffee with minimal hassle. For the ultimate just the basics experience, the Philips 1200 series is a champion. If you want a machine that's compact, affordable, and genuinely easy to use, this is it. With only 2 drink buttons, espresso and regular coffee, a simple manual steam wand, and a ceramic grinder, the 1200 is all about getting straight to the point. It produces rich espresso with a nice crema, and the compact design means it'll fit just about anywhere, from apartments to small offices. The Aroma Seal lid helps keep your beans fresh, and the AquaClean filter keeps maintenance low, as long as you buy the filter separately. You'll have to steam your milk by hand for cappuccinos, but that's a plus if you like experimenting or want to feel a bit more like a barista. It's not silent and it won't impress with flashy features, but for anyone who wants to ditch drip coffee or pods for real beans without a headache, it's hard to beat the value here. Rounding out the list is the Cafe Affetto from GE, a super automatic that's all about style and smart features. If you want your coffee maker to look as good as your coffee tastes, and you're into app controls and customization, this one is for you. The Affetto features Wi-Fi connectivity through the Smart HQ app so you can customize strength and save your own profile right from your phone. It's got a conical burr grinder, a powerful heater, and a classic steam wand for milk drinks. The minimalist design and copper accents are seriously eye-catching. It actually feels like a piece of high-end kitchen decor. Brewing is fast, the espresso is full of flavor, and milk drinks come out creamy, though the steam wand does require a bit of practice. Still, for anyone who wants something sleek, modern, and app-driven, the Affetto is a unique pick. So, which one fits your coffee style? If you want the most variety and the best milk drinks for the price, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo is a clear standout. For the easiest cleanup and all-day reliability, the Philips 3200 with LatteGo is the workhorse. The Gaggia Brera is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a bit of hands-on fun. Casabrews is your go-to if you're watching your budget but want a real bean-to-cup upgrade. For fast mornings and simplicity, check out the Magnifica Start or the Philips 1200. And if design and smart features top your list, the Cafe Affetto will definitely turn heads. Whatever your pick, each of these machines is a big step up from pod coffee, and a lot more affordable than daily cafe runs. All the product links are down in the description if you want to compare specs or prices. Let me know in the comments which machine caught your eye, or what your ideal home coffee setup looks like. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you found this helpful. There's more coffee gear, tips, and reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching, and here's to better coffee at home. Cheers!